With eyes on China, Asian nations like India and the Philippines are joining hands to counter the Chinese expansionist strategy in the region. To strengthen bilateral protection ties, the Fourth Assembly of the India-Philippines Joint Bilateral Cooperation held on Friday. Co-chaired by Exterior Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar and his Philippines counterpart Teodoro Locsin. Both sides agreed to additional strengthen protection engagement and maritime cooperation, particularly in army coaching and schooling, capability constructing, common goodwill visits and procurement of protection tools. Either side held complete discussions on a variety of issues of mutual significance and reviewed the current developments in India-Philippines relations. In addition to mention the long-run trajectory of their wide-ranging engagement. Both have territorial conflicts with Beijing, whereas Indian Defence Forces are engaged in a standoff on the Ladakh border. The Philippines has been preventing Beijing's claims within the South China Sea. New Delhi is strengthening ties with Asian nations by Act East coverage, which was launched in 2014, and which is aimed towards strengthening ties with companions together with Japan, Vietnam, the Philippines and Australia. Manila has shown curiosity in shopping for BrahMos, a medium-range supersonic cruise missile. Additionally, there are discussions of variety of weapons programs between India and the Philippines. The Philippines Division of Nationwide Defense Secretary Delfin Lorenzana mentioned that the acquisition of the missile would mark the primary Philippine weaponry with deterrent functionality. Also, India has been in talks with the ASEAN nations for a very long time over the export of BrahMos missiles. And specialists are predicting that New Delhi ought to be capable to make inroads into the Southeast Asian nations as strain from China mounts. Throughout the assembly on Friday, they reaffirmed their dedication to strengthening cooperating to shared challenges, cooperation in commerce and funding, protection, schooling, ICT and house visa liberalization, with underlining the convergence on Indo-Pacific Oceans initiative. The Indian ministry additionally thanked the academic alternatives offered by the Philippines to Indian college students. India additionally welcomed Filipino college students and academicians to avail of the ITEC and AITEC initiatives and make use of built-in PhD and fellowships provided to ASEAN college students at IITS.
For more and daily news updates, subscribe to our channel. Stay home and stay safe.